Good morning, Math Dragons, and welcome to DPS Math 6, Day 5. Have you looked at Day 5? It's like 4 pages. It's good times for the whole family. Now, they have excellent resources here, beautiful word problems, and several YouTube videos. But we also have it on AIM 22 in our interactive notebooks already. This was our Operations with Decimals summary. We have some short notes that might be able to help you. You did this page via video. Some of you got to do it in class. So you own this. It's the purple foldable on AIM 22. So this is a plethora of problems. And I am going to use separate paper because this is going to take us a little while. But we're in it together. So, AIM 22 is your reference page. Those are where your notes are. Notebook paper, and we're going to roll. I'm going to check everything with the calculator as we go. And I'm not really sure how many videos it'll take to do 4 pages of decimals. I've never tried before. Alright. Now, feel free to pause the video or rewatch the video later if you already know how to do this. Remember, we're doing this by hand. It is not calculator active. So I'm taking the problem straight off of Add Decimal Skills Practice. When you add decimals, it is important to line up your decimals. You are not putting them all aligned to the right-hand side. You are lining up the decimals so that they stack. Add and subtract decimal stack. The decimal flows straight down. Alright. Checking on the calculator for us. Correct. 36 and 201 thousandths. Number 2. 6 and 7 hundredths. 12 and 149 thousandths. Some people like to put a placeholder here, like a 0. It's up to you. You can put a 0, you can put an X, whatever you want to do to know that this does line up with this. It just holds no current value. Where your decimal comes straight down. Okie dokie. We're doing good. Alright, 3 1/10 plus 4 and 904 thousandths. Decimal comes straight down. Beautiful. And 62 thousandths plus 7 and 189 thousandths. Remember, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. We're doing great. 15 and 251 thousandths. Number 5. 11 and 802 thousandths plus 32 and 4 tenths. Feel free to add your placeholders here, here, and here, because you want to keep your decimals stacked, lined up. Decimal falls straight down. 13 and 765 hundredths plus 6 and 23 hundredths. I think it's thousands on the other one. Placeholder could both be a possibility. This will come straight down. Alright, let's check that one out. So I read an interesting article yesterday about how nowadays we try to multitask and be on our devices while also trying to do our work, and that apparently neither thing gets our full attention, so neither thing gets done well. So it is to your advantage to put away your social media while you're trying to do your math work, because the research shows that you actually aren't concentrating 100% and you're not learning 100%. 76 and 147 thousandths plus 5 and 7 hundredths. You could add a placeholder here and here. And if you're wondering what I mean like you can put in a 0 here and it's okay. You can do that. You don't customarily put a 0 in front of a number unless there's a decimal, but you could if you really wanted to. Let's check that one out. $63 and 98 hundredths plus 81 thousandths. Be careful on that one. Make sure you get that one lined up correctly. Okay. Good. 64 and 11 thousandths. I feel like they were trying to keep us all to the thousandths place. Are you getting that vibe? Because that's the vibe I'm getting. 0, 2. Okay, there's another situation where you could add your placeholder if you like to. It would go right there. Now, I do recommend always adding a 0 prior to a decimal if you need to show that there is no value here. Because sometimes people miss the decimal if they're reading your work. I have seen that through my whole career. Beautiful. Okay, we're on 10, which will put us at halfway of the front sheet. We're not doing bad. We are looking at currently 8 minutes. Looks like we're going to spend a lot of video time together today. Okay, we got 5 and 2 tenths plus 871 thousandths. Okay, we have passed the halfway mark on adding decimals. We got 41 and 82 hundredths plus 7 and 593 thousandths. Feel free to add a placeholder right here if you want to keep everybody nice and aligned. If you're struggling with alignment, use grid paper. And I can even try to post some online for you. I'll see if I can find a downloadable PDF. Yep. Voila. 2 and 76 hundredths plus 27 and 959 thousandths. Okay, quite a bit of carrying there, regrouping. Let's see if I got it all right. Okie dokie. Wow. Now, take a quick look at how I'm organizing my work. I mean, it is extremely systematic. There's no questioning my organization here. You can find my answers. You can find my work. It is not all over the page. It is not doing loopy-loops or circles around the page. We've got some friends who like to go, wee, like a curly Q, and I know your brain might think like that because you're artistic, but with math, it'll benefit you and the reader if you can try to be as organized as possible. If this is a challenge for you, perhaps draw giant boxes on your paper so you can live inside the little boxes. Some kids even fold the paper. Some people learn that in elementary school. Folding the paper is not a bad idea. All right, we're on number 13. 8 and 91 hundredths plus 92 thousandths. If you're adding placeholders, it would live right here. Voila. Drop down that decimal. We check our work. Okay. $33 and 99 hundredths plus 24 and 2 thousandths. Placeholder goes here. Let's see if we're getting this one right. Yay. 15. 1 and 99 thousandths plus 38 thousandths. No placeholder needed here. Every place value was already used. Drop down that decimal. Let's see if we get the right answer. Voila. 16. 208 hundredths plus 671 thousandths. If you're a placeholder person, it goes right here. Alright, checking our work. Okay. 9 and 7 tenths plus 345 hundredths. A couple placeholders needed there. Boom, boom. Voila. Add your columns. Let's see. Maybe I made a counting mistake. Oh, I did. Alright, let's try again. 7 plus 3 is not 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. 9.7 plus 0.345. There we go. Now we got it right. Fix that error. Okay, we got 1 and 999 thousandths plus 52 and 651 thousandths. See how we did there. Good. Now notice the calculator doesn't show the 0 because the 0 is not really holding any value. It's just a placeholder. Now, can I fit the last few on the front side? We're going to try. Oh, of course they're triple. All right, 19 and 20 are triples. 17 and 76 hundredths plus 8 plus 45 309 thousandths. Would not hurt you to actually do placeholders on this one because it's kind of all over the place. There we go. Okay, we have 9, 6. Made that mistake earlier. Okay, we got 15 plus 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. 6, 7, bring down your decimal. Let's see if we got that guy right. 1776 plus 8 plus... Yay! We're one away. One glorious con away. 68 and 821 thousandths plus 15 and 34 hundredths and 1 and 9 thousandths. Popping in just one placeholder is necessary here. And carry 6, 7, 11, 14, 15, 7, 8. Let's see. 68.21 plus 1534 plus. Did it again. Yay! Well, that was fantastic. You guys did a wonderful job. I'm going to go back in and pop in any other placeholders that were necessary back 1 through 6 in case you needed to see that. And I will post this answer key on our website later today. I am expecting a lot of emails today from administration to find out how the rest of our year is going to look. Okay, there's the addition. Together took us about 17 minutes. I'll see you back later for subtraction. Bye, guys.